Hey all, so this will be chemical process principle CLD10502 tutorial 1 video guide. So throughout this course I will do video guides for you to watch on YouTube, or you can download it so you can watch it all over again for revision and during tutorial classes. This is question 1A, and the question is to convert from gram per minute cubic inches to pound, hour, and cubic foot. So we have mass, time, and volume. So to answer this, we have to write down it first. So it's 0.04 gram per minute and cubic inches. So to convert gram to pound, because we know from our the table says that 2.20462 pound is equal to 1 kilogram, which is 1000 grams. And then to convert minutes to hour, so we have 60 minutes equal to 1 hour, and finally is from inches to cubic inches to cubic foot, which 12 inches is equal to 1 foot. Alright, so since it's a cubic, so we put a cube in it, and then the answer will be 9.143 pound per hour per cubic foot. So how we do this, because it's gram, so we can cancel out the gram, so it's end up with pound, and then we have minutes here, so that's cancelled with minutes, and it gives us an hour, and we have cubic inch, and that's cancelled out and give us a cubic foot. So that's the answer. Alright, move to the next question. For question 1B, the question wants us to convert 2 liters per second to cubic foot per day. So we have volume and time, and the conversion also have volume to time. So to answer this is 2 liters per seconds, and liters is you need to convert to cubic foot. So from here, 1 cubic foot is equal to 28.32 liters. So that's the conversion factor. And then from second to day is from what I know is 3600 seconds is equal to an hour, and then 24 hours is for 1 day. So these liters cancel out, so you get cubic foot. Second you cancel out, and hours you also cancel out, and then you get cubic foot per day. So this calculation gives us 6102 cubic foot per day. So 2 liters per second is equal to 6102 cubic foot per day. So that's for question 1B. We move to the next question. So for question 1C, it wants us to convert 400 cubic inch per day to centimeter cube per minute. So we still have volume and time. Also the conversion wants us to volume and time. So 400 inches per day. So to convert inches is inches to centimeters. So the conversion factor is 100 centimeters is equal to 39.37 inches, and since it's a cube, so power of 3. And then to convert day to minutes is the same thing, and so 1 day is equal to 24 hours, and 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So from this conversion, this cancel out to get centimeter cube, day, hours. So in the end you get minute. So from this calculation you get 4.552 centimeter cube per minute. So 400 inches cube per day, you get 4.55 cubic centimeters per minute. So that's question 1C. Let's move to our next question. So this is question 2A, and it wants us to convert 3 weeks to milliseconds. So it's just time here. So let's get started. And 3 weeks. 3 weeks is equal to, so 7 days is equal to 1 week. And how many seconds is it? So 24 hours is for 1 day, and then 60 minutes is for 1 hour, and then 1 hour is equal to I need 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour, and we need to cancel out minutes. So 3600 seconds is equal to 60 minutes. And then what next? So we get second. So millisecond is 1000 millisecond is equal to 1 second. So from here we cancel out the week, we cancel out the days, we cancel out the hour, we cancel out the minute, and then finally we cancel out the second. So in the end we get millisecond only. So the result is 1.8144 times 10 to the power of 9 millisecond for 3 weeks period. So that's for question 2A, and move to the next question. For question 2B, we need to convert of velocity of feet second to miles per hour, feet per second, sorry, to miles per hour. So we need to convert 38.1 feet a second. So 38.1 feet per second, and then feet to miles, the conversion rate is 0.00 0.06214 miles is equal to 3.2808 feet. And then for the time, we need to convert from second to hour. So 3600 second is equal to 1 hour. So yes, that's cancel out. Feet and second also cancel out. So in the end you get miles per hour. So after you done the calculation, you get roughly about 25.98 miles per hour. So it's roughly 26 miles per hour. Alright, so that's question 2B. We move to the next question. For question 2C, we need to convert 554 meter to the power 4 per day kilogram to centimeter to the power 4 per minute and gram. So conversion is using 554 m4 over day and kg. So first we convert meters to centimeters, and so 100 centimeters is equal to 1 m, and make it to the 4. And next we convert day to minutes, which is 1 day is for 24 hours, and 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. The last one is converting kilogram to gram, and 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. So that's, we can cancel out this day and then hours to get minutes and then kilograms. So in the end, the result is the value, not the result, the value is 3.85 times 10 to the power of 4 cm to the power of 4 over minute and gram. So that's the answer. So we move to the next question. This is question 3A, and it wants us to convert 760 miles an hour to meter per second. So the easy part is 760 miles per hour, and then first we convert miles to meter, and from the conversion table 1 meter is equal to 0.0006214 miles, and then 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. So miles we can cancel out, and then for hour we also can cancel out. In the end we get miles, not mile, meter per second. So the calculated value is 340 meter per second. Alright, so that's question 3A, and then let's go to question 3B. So for question 3B, it wants us to convert kilojoule per minute to HP, which is a term of power. Alright, so HP, so the conversion factor for HP is 1.34 times 10 to the power of negative 3 HP is equal to 1 joule per second. So we need to convert kilojoule per minute to joule per second for in us to order to convert the value to HP. So let's convert kilojoule per minute to joule per second first. So 5.37 times 10 to the power of 3 kilojoule per minute, and then times 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, and then 1000 joule is equal to 1 kilojoule. So that's cancel out. The kilojoule also cancel out. In the end we get joule per second. And then from this value we can use this joule per second. So how do we do this? So we get joule per second. So we can convert it 1.34 times 10 to the power minus 3 horsepower is equal to 1 joule per second. So this is joule per second, and this is 1 over 1 joule per second. So we can cancel this out. So in the end we only get HP, because this 1 over 1 joule per second, which is, you can cancel out joule per second. So finally the value of 5.37 times 10 to the power of 3 kilojoule per minute is equal to 119.93 horsepower, which is roughly 120 horsepower. So that's question 3B. Move to the next question. This is question 3C, and it wants us to convert 921 kilogram per meter cube to pound per cubic foot, which is density. So that's easy. 921 kilogram over meter cube. So for kilogram to pound, it is 2.20462 pound. You can get this value from your textbook or calculator too. So 2.20462 pound is equal to 1 kg, and then convert the meter cube to cubic foot. So 1 meter cube is equal to 35.3145 cubic foot. So that's easily cancel out kilogram, and you end up with pound per cubic foot. So this value will be 57.5 pound per cubic foot. Alright, so that's question 3C. Now we move to the next question. This is question 4, and it wants us to convert 6-inch centimeters square, year, second, pound, and foot square to all SI units. So we have inches, centimeters, which is length, and foot, which is length, and we have mass, and both years and second are time. So first we convert the length to SI unit, which is, for length is in meters, and for mass is in kilogram, and for time is in second. So let's convert length to meters. So we have 6 inches cm square over year second pound and foot square. So we need to convert the length first. So inches, for inches to meters, so from the conversion table, 1 meter equals to 39.37 inches. And then for centimeter square is 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters, and we have to square it. And then for square foot, this is area, so we can cancel out later, but we just do it first. So square foot, so 1 square foot is equal to 0.305 meter square. Alright, so next we use the pound. So from the conversion table is 1 pound, a pound, 1 lbm is equal to 0.45359 kilogram, or 2.204 something kilogram for 2.204 pound per kilogram. And then from this you get, so let's cancel out first. So you have inches, you can cancel out inches, and then we convert the centimeter square to meter square, and then foot square to meter square. And then since this meter square is, one is on the top and one is at the bottom, so we can cancel out these two. And then pound we can cancel out. So the value so far is 3.6165 times 10 to the power of minus 4 meter per year, seconds, and kilogram. So now we have the length in SI, the weight in SI, and now we just have to convert year to the SI unit, which is in second. So from here is 1 year is equal to 365 days, while 1 day is equal to 24 hours, and 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. Okay, so that's year, and days cancel out, hours, and then we get second. So for this seconds, we have two type of 2s in the at the bottom, and then it will become square. So the values from this calculation is 1.147 times 10 to the power minus 11 meter second square and kilogram. So that's all of this is in SI unit. So we solve this question. Alright, now let's go to the final question, question number 5. This is question 5, and the problem given is 100 pounds of water flows at a velocity of 100 feet a second. So we need to find the kinetic energy in pound force, foot pound force, which is energy should be in Newton meters, so aka Newton meters. So let's find the kinetic energy in the using the values given first. For kinetic energy is half mv square. So we have mass of the water is 100 pound, and times it by the square of velocity, which is 100 foot seconds, and then the value is 5,000 pound, and then foot square over second square. And then we have to convert it to pound force, and then so we convert it 5,000 lbm foot square over second square. So 1 pound force is equal to 32.174 pound times foot over second square. You can find this value in the conversion table in your textbook. And so we have, in the end we have, so what we can cancel here. So this is pound, and then this is foot, and this foot is square, and then we have second square, so we can cancel this out, and we can cancel one of the foot. So in the end we have 155.405 pound force times foot. So the question wants the kinetic energy in this version, and in the end we get this. So this problem solved. Alright, so that's for, I think this is tutorial 1, and we continue for tutorial 2 in the next video. Thank you for watching.